Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm a physiotherapist.
Hello, my name is Ingrid.
Welcome, Ingrid. I understand you've been dealing with some pain.
Yes.
Would you like to tell me about your experiences?
Yes. It's because I've been having headaches for the last 5 years.
Okay,
now.
yeah.
And the headache has become more severe nowadays. So I have pain on a daily level now.
Mhm.
And most often in the evenings, the headache influences my sleep,
Okay,
my well-being, and my social life.
Okay, your social life as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. First, I think we should talk about how we can reduce the impact of the headache on your sleep quality, because sleep quality is important.
Yes. Yeah.
So together, we need to figure out how you can manage your pain and the experience that you are having today related to the headaches. But we also need to address the increase in severity of the pain you're experiencing because it has become more severe. And this ongoing problem, which now has progressed, we need to halt that progression so it becomes back to what used to be the normal level. But I'm sure that we can make this work and positively influence both your well-being and your social life as well. So together, we will talk about the condition, factors related to your life that might influence the pain both positively but also in a negatively direction. But I will not lie to you. Your ability to make necessary changes and take the required steps to address both the increase in severity of the pain and the disturbances of your sleep is very vital to success. But together we will work towards defining goals, and I think we will be successful. Have you tried monitoring some parts of your life?
Yes, I have tried that before. Yes.
Okay. I think we should monitor parts of your daily life, pain, and also your sleep quality for a period. Maybe we could begin there because then we can focus on gaining some insights on important aspects on your situation, and we might be able to identify what challenges your well-being and what provokes your pain, and thereby is part of the reason for this progression in severity that you are experiencing. I fully understand that your situation can be challenging and you're not alone. We are in this together. But have you told your family about what you are experiencing?
Yes, I told my husband about it.
I think it helps to talk about it. So that's an important part. It's a necessary and important step that you have taken. Another issue could also be to consider if you could get some actual help, for example, around the house. It doesn't have to be every single day, just 1 or 2 times a week to begin with, because sometimes that makes a huge difference in the beginning. It could be asking some of your relatives, maybe your husband, to help with grocery shopping, but maybe, if possible, even sometime paid help for a short period of time could be something that could be a nice part to introduce into this situation that you're in. And it can be related to everything: gardening, cleaning, walking the dog, just to take some of the pressure off you for a period. But we can together consider what makes the most sense when we work together related to the pain you're experiencing. First off, to start with, I have a mobile application that I would like to show you as part of what we are going to work with together.
That's nice.